In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports in QuickBooks Online. Running reports is an essential part of managing your business finances, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple to access the information you need. Whether you want to check your profit and loss, review your balance sheet, or analyze sales data, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online company account. Once you're in, look for the left-hand navigation panel. From there, click on the option labeled Reports. This will take you to the Reports section of the platform where you can access a variety of financial insights. Next, you'll land on the Standard Reports tab. This is where QuickBooks Online organizes a list of commonly used financial reports for your convenience. You'll see options like Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, and Sales by Product or Service, among others. Take a moment to scroll through this list and identify the report that fits your needs. For example, if you want to see how your business is performing financially, you might choose the Profit and Loss report. If you need a snapshot of your overall financial position, the Balance Sheet report will be helpful. Once you've decided, simply click on the name of the report you want to run. After selecting your report, give it a moment to load. QuickBooks will process the data and display the report on your screen. Once it's loaded, you'll see the detailed financial information laid out for you. Now that your report is open, you'll want to customize it to match your specific requirements. Head to the top left corner of the report screen. Here, you'll find options to adjust the report period. You can pick a preset date range, such as this month, last month, or this fiscal year. If none of the preset options work for you, you can manually enter a custom start and end date. In this same area, you'll also see an option to choose your accounting method. QuickBooks Online allows you to select between the cash method and the accrual method, depending on how you track your finances. Make your selection based on your business needs. Once everything is set up, take a moment to carefully review the report. Check the numbers and layout to ensure the information displayed is accurate and meets your needs. If anything seems off, double-check the report period you selected in the previous step. Sometimes, an incorrect date range can lead to missing or incomplete data. And that's it. You've successfully run and customized a report in QuickBooks Online. With these reports, you'll gain valuable insights into your business finances and be better equipped to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.